Horses out of Love Minstrel past the begin down on the inside. Second is Stick Gold. Racing in third position is Just Right. Then followed by Runaway Champion on the outside. Flying Hope. Atoy Porras comes next. My Boy Paulo Rantam Windy. And trailing the group is the Ghost Charm. And going along for the first turn we have Stick Gold by Abraham Kanehepa. Love Minstrel in second, and third, moving up by that is Runaway Champa. Aling back in for Just Right. Atoy Porras, My Boy Paulo, Flying Hope, Rantam Windy, and Dugas Charm. Mystic Gold moving up on the outside. Now is Love Minstrel to take the lead. It's now Love Minstrel. Mystic Gold drives back in second. Runaway Champ now in third. Just Right in fourth. My Boy Paulo and Flying Hope. We have Love Minstrel by about 3 for Balenga. Stick Gold still in second. Runaway Champ reigns in third. My Boy Paulo, and it's still Love Minstrel by Balenga and Hepa. Runaway Champ now in second on the outside. My Boy Paulo in third. As they come to the last 150. And it's still Love Minstrel by about 2 lengths. Runaway Champ, My Boy Paulo is down on the inside. But it's still Love Minstrel followed by Runaway Champ, My Boy Paulo. Last 75 meters. Love Minstrel by about 3 lengths. And finally, Love Minstrel, Runaway Champ, My Boy Paulo, Flying Hope, Just Right for your Pentapecta.
68497. 68497.
Love Minstrel ang ating unofficial winner dyan with J.